The Cadillac Escalade has always been more than just a vehicle. It's a status symbol, an icon of American luxury, and a rolling fortress of innovation. But the 2025 Cadillac Escalade-V takes everything we know and love about this legendary SUV and dials it up to an entirely new level. It's not just the most powerful Escalade ever made, it's also one of the boldest statements in the luxury performance SUV market. Today on Ride and Drive Motors, we're diving deep into what makes the 2025 Escalade-V such an extraordinary machine, from its mind-blowing powertrain to its lavish interior, cutting-edge technology, and road presence that simply can't be ignored. Let's start with the design, because the 2025 Escalade-V doesn't just show up, it dominates. Cadillac has sharpened the lines and exaggerated the aggressive styling to ensure that the V stands apart from any other SUV in its class. The front fascia is meaner than ever, with a revised grille pattern, smoked-out LED headlights, and bold V-Series badging that lets you know this isn't your average Escalade. The black mesh grille contrasts beautifully against the available high-gloss black or dark metallic trims. You also get exclusive 22-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, and optional red-painted Brembo brakes that peek through like warning signs that this SUV is ready to roar. Around the back, quad exhaust tips and a performance diffuser add that aggressive touch, while a subtle roof spoiler helps manage airflow. Cadillac's engineers took the time to refine the aerodynamics while maintaining that unmistakable Escalade silhouette, boxy, confident, and absolutely unapologetic. From any angle, the Escalade-V looks like the boss of the boulevard, whether it's cruising through the city lights or parked in front of a five-star resort in Riyadh. But make no mistake, this isn't just a showpiece. Underneath the hood lies the soul of a beast. The 2025 Escalade-V packs a hand-built 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that pumps out a jaw-dropping 682 horsepower and 653 lb-ft of torque. That's the same heart that powers the Cadillac CT5V Blackwing, but here it's been tuned to move a full-size luxury SUV with shocking agility. The result? A 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just under 4.4 seconds. For a vehicle of this size, that number is almost absurd, but in the best way possible. The exhaust note is equally insane. With V-mode engaged, the active exhaust system opens up and unleashes a deep, throaty roar that turns heads and raises pulses. It's not just sound, it's a performance symphony that commands attention. And with magnetic ride control, air suspension, and a performance-tuned chassis, this Escalade doesn't just go fast, it handles corners with surprising finesse. You'll feel the difference whether you're taking tight turns or flying down the open highway between Riyadh and Jeddah. The 10-speed automatic transmission is smooth and responsive, offering seamless gear shifts whether you're cruising or stomping on the accelerator. You also get full-time all-wheel drive, ensuring that all that power is delivered to the road efficiently, whether it's dry pavement or a sudden dust storm in the desert. This kind of performance in a 6,200-pound SUV is nothing short of engineering brilliance. Inside the cabin, Cadillac has pulled out all the stops. Step inside, and you're greeted by one of the most luxurious interiors in the automotive world. Soft semi-aniline leather upholstery wraps nearly every surface, from the seats to the door panels and even the dashboard. The front seats are not only heated and ventilated but also come with massage functionality and 18-way adjustability. In the Escalade-V, comfort is just as important as performance. Ambient lighting sets the mood with customizable color themes, and real wood and aluminum trim pieces offer an authentic upscale feel. You can immediately tell that this is a handcrafted cabin. Everything is precisely stitched and carefully laid out. And that brings us to the crown jewel of the interior, the 38-inch curved OLED display. Stretching from the driver's side to the center of the dashboard, this display offers stunning clarity and vibrant colors. It combines the digital instrument cluster, infotainment screen, and vehicle settings all in one seamless piece of tech art. The user interface is intuitive, responsive, and elegant. Cadillac has also upgraded the software for 2025, ensuring smoother transitions, better voice control, and deeper smartphone integration via wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then there's the sound system. The 2025 Escalade-V features the AKG Studio Reference audio system, a 36-speaker setup that delivers an immersive audio experience unmatched by anything else in the segment. Whether you're listening to Arabic classics, modern pop, or even a podcast, the sound is rich, multidimensional, and crystal clear. Each speaker is precisely tuned, giving you theater-level acoustics inside a moving vehicle. Rear passengers are treated like royalty too. The second-row captain's chairs are heated, ventilated, and ultra-spacious. Rear seat entertainment screens mounted behind the front headrests keep everyone entertained on long drives, with HDMI and USB-C support for external devices. Third-row seating, while best for kids or shorter adults, still offers respectable space thanks to the Escalade's generous dimensions. Cargo space hasn't been compromised either. Even with all seats in place, the Escalade-V offers a sizable amount of rear storage. Fold the third row flat and you've got a massive trunk area that can haul everything from golf bags to luggage for a weekend retreat in the desert. When it comes to safety and driver assistance, Cadillac didn't cut corners. The 2025 Escalade-V comes standard with Super Cruise, Cadillac's semi-autonomous driving technology that allows for hands-free driving on mapped highways. With the latest enhancements, Super Cruise now supports automatic lane changes, better map coverage, and improved driver monitoring. It's one of the best systems on the market and adds a huge convenience factor on long road trips. Other features include automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, a surround view camera system, and night vision for added security when driving after dark. Cadillac's safety suite is extensive, making the Escalade-V not just fast and beautiful, but also smart and secure. In terms of customization, Cadillac offers a range of exterior colors from subtle satin steel metallic to bold options like infrared tint coat or dark emerald frost. Inside, buyers can choose between jet black, whisper beige, or dark auburn color themes. Optional carbon fiber interior trim, upgraded leather, and V-Series specific stitching let you tailor your Escalade-V to your personal taste. Driving the Escalade-V is an experience that fuses raw power with elegance. It can switch from plush luxury cruiser to muscle machine with the push of a button. The steering is tight and responsive, and the chassis feels planted even at higher speeds. You get a choice of drive modes including Tour, Sport, Snow/Ice, and the customizable V mode, which allows you to adjust suspension stiffness, steering feel, exhaust sound, and throttle response. It gives the driver full control over the Escalade's personality. So, who is the 2025 Cadillac Escalade-V really for? It's for those who refuse to choose between luxury and performance. It's for the business executive who wants to make an entrance. For the celebrity who needs to move in comfort and style. For the enthusiast who craves speed but demands refinement. And yes, it's for anyone who wants to own the most powerful, most aggressive Escalade ever made. In a market crowded with options like the BMW Alpina XB7, Mercedes-AMG GLS 63, and Range Rover SV, the Escalade-V doesn't just compete, it dominates. While others aim for subtlety, the Escalade-V is a celebration of boldness. It's unapologetically American, unashamedly loud, and undeniably luxurious. It's the ultimate fusion of muscle and class, and it wears its badge with pride. Whether you're driving through downtown Los Angeles, along the Corniche in Jeddah, or cruising down a Dubai highway, the 2025 Escalade-V is more than transportation, it's a declaration. It says you've made it. And you want the world to know. To wrap up, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade-V is everything you'd expect from a high-performance luxury SUV, and then some. It's a brute in a tuxedo, a roaring V8 wrapped in digital brilliance. It offers unmatched road presence, heart-pounding acceleration, and a tech-packed, serene interior. Cadillac has proven that performance and luxury are not mutually exclusive, they belong together, and the Escalade-V is the proof. So if you're looking for an SUV that doesn't compromise, that delivers adrenaline and opulence in equal measure, and that makes a bold statement everywhere it goes, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade-V should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching Ride and Drive Motors. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more reviews of the world's most powerful and luxurious vehicles. Let us know in the comments. Would you choose the Escalade-V over a German performance SUV? We want to hear what you think. Until next time, drive safe and drive in style.